In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to limit login attempts in WordPress. While limiting login attempts helps secure your site, it's essential to provide users with a user-friendly experience and proper account recovery options in case they forget their credentials. For this functionality, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Search for Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. From various plugins over here, this is going to be the one that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. Now let's configure the plugin. Hover over Limit Login Attempts and click on Dashboard. Here you can explore various settings that the plugin offers. Checkmark the box besides GDPR compliance. This makes the plugin GDPR compliant by showing a message on the login page. You can explore all the settings as per your requirement. And now scrolling a little to this section, you can check out the lockout settings here. You can limit login attempts from here. You can set the numbers as per your requirement. Once everything's in place, you can click on Save Settings. And this is how easy it is to limit the login attempts in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress posts. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.